Look, the sun is here. The mountains are waking up.
A new day is starting. Let's make breakfast, my sweet girl.
I've got my hat on. Now we can go outside. Oh no! The wind took my hat. Catch it.
The wind is fast, but I think we're faster, aren't we, Lila?
That bunny looked at me. So cute.
The wind is invisible, but it speaks through the leaves. Can you feel it?
My hat climbed the tree. Should we help it down? Look! My hat's on the goat. That's so silly.
The sun is going to rest now, just like you, my little heart.